Chapter 11, Part 3, Atomic Structure. In this part, we talk more about atoms and also about molecules. Evidence for atoms. Well, the idea that matter is made of atoms is very old. It goes back to the Greeks. However, in the 1800s, it was revived by John Dalton, a chemist who was trying to explain the nature of chemical reactions by proposing that all matter is made of atoms. Of course, Dalton at that time had no direct evidence for the existence of atoms. It was his hypothesis. Nowadays, we have more direct evidence for the existence of atoms. Images of atoms can be made with an electron beam, not using visible light. This is a picture. You can see the strings of dots. These are chains of thorium atoms imaged with a scanning electron microscope. Now, with the new different kind of microscopes, what's called the scanning tunneling microscope, you can see even individual atoms. Now, as technology is improving, you can see more details is possible, and new images are always presented. Images with today's devices will help us to construct better models for the atoms and make predictions. With different kind of microscope, the scanning tunneling microscope, you can see even individual atoms. Even greater detail is possible now with the new types of imaging devices. Images with today's devices can help us to construct better models of the atom and to make predictions about our natural world. This is a picture, an image of a scanning tunneling microscope created for uranium atoms. Now, you all heard about molecules. So what is a molecule? A molecule is made up of atoms of the same element or of different elements. Now, atoms can combine to form larger particles, which we call molecules. So a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance consisting of two or more atoms that bond chemically together by sharing electrons. For example, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one single atom of oxygen to form a water molecule, H2O. So H2O is a molecule, is made of two types of atoms, hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen, and one single atom of oxygen. Now, matter that is a gas or liquid at room temperature is usually made of molecules like water or air. Models of these simple molecules, O2, oxygen gas, NH3, ammonia, CH4, methane, show their structure in the picture below. The atoms that compose a molecule are not just mixed together, but they are bonded chemically in a well-defined way. We finished this section by asking the question, what are molecules made of? We will talk about this again in